Hi everybody, this is a screencast describing the requirements for Homework 6. And in the last homework assignment we made the top row responsive. And that is more like this, where when we get to this section we see the 200 by 800s, which were the links on the top right, go below. So basically if we have a float right up here, we write our media query and we do a float none down here with a width. So now we're focusing on the second row. So pay close attention to this. I've got what would be a navigation here, a side nav. This would be a top nav. And then this might be, if we're e-commerce, it would be product line. So what happens when we do this? We take our 200 by 200 like this. Notice how the 200 by 200, where does it go? It goes to the bottom. So we're still doing all push, meaning 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's the order of the load. So once we get to here, these are 200 by 80. Again, if we right click on this, you'll see that the surrounding element is far less than 200 wide, because there we go. So now I'm going down like this, and you see the top right nav becomes this section. These are the 500 by 80 links, and below that is one link for 200 by 200. So again, take the same process you did in the week 5 homework. I'll make more videos on this, but this is a necessary assignment to get you fully comfortable with the logic and process and writing media queries to support what you need to do. So when we write our breakpoints like this, all that matters is that the parent elements of this match. And anything that's floated is now float none. So that's the point. I mean, if you want to keep the 500 by 800, if you look, these aren't floated at all. They're display block. But when we go like this, your media query could have a fixed width of, max width of 630, something like that. See the snap on that? And that's for landscape on mobile phones. So what we're doing now is I'm giving you a challenge so you can see the functionality, and then you would have to write the media queries for this. So we've got row 1, row 2, and next week there will be a third row, row 3, and then we'll be done with that. And then we can start using frameworks to do our work for us. Anyway, if there are any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. As always, I will help you. So just all you have to do is reach out.